Okay students, now in this video we'll just start with the new topic, that is angle. What is an angle? First of all, I'll give you the explanation of angle. What is an angle? Okay, angles. Two rays with a common endpoint form an angle. What does it mean? Two rays with common endpoint means this is a ray and this is a ray. The point where two rays meet, that point is called vertex. Okay, and these two rays form an angle. When they meet at a common point, they form an angle. This is angle. Clear? Two rays, this is the first ray and this is the second ray. When they meet at a common endpoint, an angle is formed. This is the definition of an angle. Now there are few points which you have to be careful about that. The first is the common endpoint of two rays is called a vertex. So this is the common endpoint, this is called a vertex. So M is a vertex here. The two rays are called its arms. The two rays are called arms of this angle. We use capital letter to name an angle. Whenever you are giving any name to an angle, we always use capital letter. We use symbol this to represent an angle. So this is the symbol of an angle. Okay, the vertex of an angle always written in the middle while naming an angle. Whenever you want to write the name of any angle, the vertex is always written in the middle. Suppose this is an angle LMN. So how do we write? LM will be in the middle. You can write it like this, angle LMN, or angle NML. NML. In both the cases, the vertex should be in the middle. This is very important. Okay. Now look at this angle. In angle LMN, M is a vertex and two rays are LM and NM. So this is the part of an angle. Now we'll start with the next chapter, next lesson. Okay, that is exercise 13.4. Now we'll start with the 13.4 exercise. Which of the following figure represent an angle? So now here we have two figures, this B and D. In these two figures, okay, an angle is formed. Clear? Name the vertex and the arms of each of the angles shown in the figure. So here in the first figure, the vertex is 3. Okay, the common point is B. Okay, so the vertex is B and arm are AB and CB. The second one, the vertex is L, common point is L. So the vertex is L and the arms are ML and MN. ML and NL. In the second question, third question, Q is vertex, PQ and RQ are the arms. Here BS is a vertex, RS and TS are the arm. Here V is a vertex and UV and WV are arms. Clear? Now here name all the angles in each figure. Name all the angles in each figure. So in this question, here we have 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write the name of the angles. The first angle is RPQ. RPQ. P is a common point. Okay, so it will come in the middle. RPQ. This is the first angle. The second is RPT. Third is TPS. The next is SPQ. I'll repeat it again. RPQ, RPT, TPS, SPQ. So here we have 4 angles. Now come to this question. Here we have 2 angles. The first angle is ROQ. ROQ. Okay. O is our middle point. That is our vertex. Now the second angle is QOP. QOP. In this question we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So we'll start with the first one. O is a vertex. AOF, first angle. Second is FOD. Third is DOC. Next is COE. And then the last one is EOB. Clear? The next, draw the following angle. They have given the name of the angles and you have to draw the angles. You can draw any angle. Okay, the first is CDE. CDE. D is the middle point, so it will come in the center. Vertex. Okay. The B is ABC. Angle ABC. ABC. The third is angle 2. They have not given any name to this angle. They have given 2. Angle 2. So simple. Draw an angle. This is angle 2. The name of this angle is angle 2. Now the last question of this exercise. Name all the points in the interior of given angle. Name all the point in the exterior of given angle. And name all the points on the angle. So children, for this we will just go with this. On the page number 172, here we have the definition of interior and exterior of an angle. The shaded portion is called the interior of the angle. So this angle, suppose we have this angle. Look at this copy. Here, this is called the interior of the angle, the internal part. And the outer part is called exterior of the angle. And this is the point on the angle. Okay. So suppose the name of this angle is ABC. So the angle point, the points which are on the angle, they will be A, B, C. Suppose we have any point here, P and S. So they will be internal point. Okay, interior point. And suppose we have any point here, O, Q. So O and Q will be exterior point. Clear? Now the shaded portion is called the interior of an angle. This is the shaded portion, and the outside part is called the exterior of an angle. So this is the outside part. This will be called exterior. Now in this question, look at very carefully. Name the points in the interior of the given angle. So here the interior point P and Q. The interior points are called P and Q. So the question number 5 is interior points P and Q. Clear? B part. This is A part. B part is all the points in the exterior of an angle. So exterior will be Y, X, V, Z and U. Okay. So the exterior points are Y, X, V, Z and U. And the points on an angle. So the points on an angle are A, B, C. So that is A, B, C. So the children, with this question, your 13.4 exercise is complete. Thank you very much.